Hello, this is Doreen from Didibot. Let me show you the box. There is the logo Certafina. And this is the watch. And this is the strap. This is color is silver brown leather. And there is the logo. This is the charger cable. Okay.
All right, welcome to Diliberto Technology. We're going to unbox our latest Certafina smartwatch, which is going to be available for sale soon on Amazon, Alibaba, and Shopee. So let's open the box. You see here we've got the strap. This one is a silicone strap. It's also available with a leather strap, stainless steel, and steel mesh strap options. So there's just two pieces of the strap there. And the straps are easily changeable. There's just a spring-loaded clip on the end. We have here the watch itself. This particular one is a black version of the watch. The watch body is also available in silver and in gunmetal gray. Underneath, we have the charging puck right here. And all you do to charge the watch is you line up these two pins with these two pads, like that, just sit it down there. And then that connects to any USB charger. And we can look under here and see that the charging has started. Latest Certafina smartwatch. I'm going to turn this on and show you the watch face selection. You just long press here and you can slide left and right to choose from many different watch faces, as well as making a custom face using a photo, which is what I've done here. From the watch face, you can slide to the right and you get all of the different applications. So here you can see we've got a heart rate monitor. Let's see if I can get that better focus for you. There you go. Slide again. There you go. We've got blood pressure, pulse ox, sleep tracker. Here in the exercise app, you just tap again and you can select from all of the different exercises. And then as soon as you select one, it's going to start tracking. And then if I push the button here on the side, pause, and from pause, I can either resume or stop. And then that information is downloaded into the companion app and can sync with Apple Health or whatever tracking app you want to use. Weather, you'll have to, when we set that up on the phone, we'll select our location. Messages, obviously, coming from the phone. Stopwatch. Find, you can use this to find your phone. And then it's got controls for all of your music. All right, let's take a look at the companion app real quick. So I'm going to select mail. Okay. And you can see up here it's saying please connect device. So I'm going to select to connect device. Select again. Get it as close as possible to the phone. And there you go. It's found the device. Connecting. And just like that, we've synchronized. So haven't tracked too many activities, but you can see it's got my current heart rate, no sleep records, blood pressure monitoring. And then here are all of the different fitness apps. Obviously, we haven't tracked any fitness yet, so can't show you that. There you go. From here, you can select all of the different settings for the watch. There we go, for pairing. Yep. Notifications. Sedentary reminder, so it can tell you to stand up when you've been sitting for too long. Do not disturb. More settings in here. And then there is automatic heart rate monitoring. And then here you can menstrual cycle tracking. And then in third-party service, you can link to Apple Health. And you're just going to say, open my Apple Health settings, and I can just allow for all of those. Turn all on, allow. And there you go, we're syncing with Apple Health. And that's it. Previously, I showed you that you can create custom watch faces or change the watch face simply by long pressing on the face of the watch. As you can see here, scrolling through the different options. In the companion app, there's many more faces and the utility to create a custom face. Let's take a look at that now. So here's our companion application. We're going to open that up. We'll go to the dashboard setting, and then in dashboard you can see the dial center. These are all of the different faces, and it's almost an infinite amount here. It's just going to keep reloading as I scroll. So those are all of the included faces. And then if I want to create a custom face, here, let's show you an example. So if I want to change to say this face here, it's downloading, it's synchronizing, and just that fast, it's on the watch. All right, we're just about finished, and you can see now synchronization completed, and here is that exact same face on the watch. All right, let's show you how to make a custom face. So you're gonna click here on custom dial, okay? And I'm gonna click into the custom dial. And let's say I wanna use a picture, so I'm gonna go from album. I've got this cute little puppy dog. There you go. There's the watch face. And then I'm just gonna select sync. And same as before, we're gonna go through the synchronization process over Bluetooth, push the new watch face to the watch, and you'll see that in just a second. All right, we can see here that the synchronization has completed. And if we go over to the watch, you see that the new watch face that I created in the companion app is now the watch face of the watch. And that's it. Just that easy to create custom watch faces. There you go. Now let's take a look at language. So if I go into more settings, device language, you've got a couple of choices here. You can choose from the list of languages. You can see quite a few languages are available. Or you can choose follow system, and it will just choose whatever language is the system language of your phone. So right now, everything is in English. If you look on the watch, if I slide it over to the side, right? Now, if I go here and choose, say, Italian, in just a few seconds, it's going to change the setting on the watch via Bluetooth. There you go. And you can see here, it's now changed to Italian. And then if I choose follow system, my system is set to English. So once it's synchronized, the system language will be back to English. And there you go. And that's it. Just that easy to change the language. So here, the light up setting in the menu, if we turn that on, what that does is that changes the watch so that if I twist my wrist, the face lights up. And then after it times out, if I twist my wrist again, it will light up the face.